could have, might have, exploring the third conditional in questions. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into a particularly interesting area of English grammar, the third conditional. But we won't stop there. We're also going to focus on how to use could have and might have within third conditional questions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to comfortably use these forms in your everyday English conversations. The third conditional is a structure used in English for talking about unreal situations in the past. This is often used when we're imagining a different outcome to an event that has already happened. The form is, if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. When we're making third conditional sentences, we often substitute would have with could have or might have to change the meaning slightly. Could have suggests that something was a possibility but didn't happen. Might have suggests that there's a possibility something happened, but we don't know. For example, if you had driven faster, you could have caught the train. This implies that catching the train was a possible outcome, but it didn't happen. Now let's talk about using could have and might have in third conditional questions. This form is especially useful when we want to ask about hypothetical outcomes of past events. The structure for this is could, might plus subject plus have plus past participle, if plus subject plus past perfect. For example, a question like, could you have passed the exam if you had studied harder, is asking about an unreal, hypothetical past. Here, could have passed, is the unreal outcome we're asking about, and, if you had studied harder, is the condition that didn't occur. Now that you understand the structure and usage, it's time to practice. Let's consider some sentences. Might she have gone to the party if she had been invited? Could we have won the match if we had trained more? Try to create your own sentences and questions using this structure to better grasp its usage. Great job making it to the end. I hope you now have a solid understanding of how to use could have and might have in third conditional questions. Remember, understanding these structures is one thing, but using them effectively requires regular practice. So keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these forms with ease in your English conversations. Happy learning!